Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off read recept on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn off read recept on this app can give you more control over your privacy. It allows you to read messages without the sender knowing that you have seen them, which can be useful if you want to respond later or simply prefer not to reveal when you have read a message. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the Skype app. Okay, after that, click your profile and then select Settings menu. Okay, after that, you can choose Messaging menu and turn off this option like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off read recept on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.